Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video, I wanted to show you how to make paneer biryani in instant pot. This is one of the healthiest recipe and it helps in weight reduction if you take in a right quantity. And also I am showing you how to make the peas curry in the pressure cooker. So this is a both great combination. So at first I am keeping the instant pot in saute mode, and then once the pot is hot I am going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee in that, and my paneer pieces are already cut and they are frozen, so I am started sauteing them in the instant pot directly. Paneer will be cooked in instant pot nicely, and when it turns into a brown color we can take them aside in a separate bowl. To give a nice flavor to this biryani, I am blending the mint leaves or pudina and also um, coriander leaves, and then garlic and ginger. I am blending it together. Same instant pot where I fried the paneer pieces, I am going to add some more oil in it and add the um, cloves and cinnamon together, and adding the chopped onions and saute it for some time. Meanwhile, I washed the rice and also I'm adding the chopped green chilies in this mixture. So for basmati rice, for 2 cups, I am adding 3.5 cups of water. And in when the onions are sauteed nicely, so I am adding the mint and coriander mixture. We need to saute it for some time. Now I am adding all other um, ingredients, salt and garam masala. So in this mixture I am also keeping the rice and saute the rice for some time. And 2-3 minutes of sauteing rice is enough. And then add the paneer pieces here and water. Check the salt and spicy levels. Add the water, close the lid and select the rice option in instant pot. So in this instant pot, rice will be cooked in 15 minutes. So meanwhile we can also prepare the side dish. This is made with peas and potatoes. This is so tasty with any combination. So in the cooker I took some oil and I am adding the chopped onions. Let it saute for some time. And then I am going to add tomato puree in this cooker and let it cook for some time. You can add the potato pieces here. My potato is already boiled, so I am adding it here directly. Cook for 2-3 minutes. At this point of time I am adding all the ingredients, salt and chili powder. This chili powder is made out of garlic, so it's going to be dissolved in the tomato juice. And I'm adding the turmeric powder and also dhania jeera powder. So mix them well together. So mix all the ingredients nicely, and now I am adding half cup of frozen peas. Peas has lot of nutritional values. It has more protein content. Mix them well. To enhance the taste, I am adding the shredded coconut, and then adding little bit of water and close the lid. So after 3 to 4 whistles, the curry will be ready. To garnish it, I am adding the cilantro. So the delicious potato peas tomato curry is ready. So meanwhile, the paneer biryani is also ready in the instant pot. Serve it hot in the paneer biryani with the potato curry along with the salad. So it is so tasty, healthy, and it will be done in few minutes. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.